where the rivers change course. Milunka Savić fought with an iron force, hair tucked under a helmet, she joined the ranks. Serbian soldier, no room for thanks. Conquered more than battlegrounds, female warrior, royalty crowned. Savić savage stories they echo, bullets whizzed past but she never let go. Her grit forged through fire and pain, a heroine arisen, breaking every chain. Bayonet in hand, tracks through the mud, tales of a woman who defied the blood. Enemies faltered at the sight of her rage, fighting for freedom on history's stage. In trenches she stood tall, bravery and petticoats breaking down walls. Savić savage tales that inspire, in the heart of the war she lit the fire. A soldier of legend, written in scars, her valor lit up under Serbian stars. Born from the fire, this girl no ordinary, heart of a lion, destiny extraordinary. The trenches acclaimed her, the battlefield praying, bullets and chaos, but she stayed no sway. Milunka the warrior, legend still sings, against all the odds she clipped the enemy's wings. Heroine of Serbia, history reigns. Milunka, your name, like an epic it brings. Disguised in a brother's shadow, she's stepping in the fray. From the dark corners, she rising in a soldier's play. Machine guns blazing, grenades did she clutch. Silent but deadly, her valor a crutch. Milunka the warrior, legend still sings, against all the odds she clipped the enemy's wings. Heroine of Serbia, history reigns. Milunka, your name, like an epic it brings. Medals won't measure the courage she wore, decorated soldier shattering the gender lore. Not just a fighter, a beacon in war's night, her story inspires, a torchbearer's light. From the scars of struggle, she carved out fame. Where others faltered, Milunka staked her claim. Brave hearts trembled in her presence, they knew. Serbian lioness, fear she slew. Milunka, Serbian lioness. As scars of struggle, she carved out fame. Where others faltered, Milunka staked her claim. Brave hearts trembled in her presence, they knew. Serbian lioness, fear she slew.